signed
they
us
got
up for
gored
it.
by a
When
bull.
I picked up the tickets, I told them no.
Because we don't have the instruments you have.
What do you think, Cameron?
There's a snake. It's right below our window. It's right below your window, Jerry. Garter snake. They went beyond you now. They aren't like laying there waiting to be picked up.
They're sunning,
They were meeting the train.
They're getting on the train.
soaking in a little sun.
It's just a little, isn't that big of a deal?
Oh, there's a cotton apple.
He has to walk down that train track. Now this is where you get off, I guess, and spend an hour eating, and then they pick you up again.
Yeah, but it's 2 hours. That was the problem. 1 hour sounds reasonable. 2 hours, I'm not sure. I don't know if you want to stare at me for 2 hours.
An hour and a half.
Uh,
Well,
That's
you
our
can
limit.
eat, you know.
yeah, you bring your food. But even that, I mean, I could see, I mean, I signed this originally. Now, because I wasn't sure about the 2 hour wait.
Good smile.
We have
No, you bring your own food.
no glass.
No glass. So we could swing it sometime, I just have to, it required me to figure out what we were gonna do for the second hour.
Points and ivy.
We could bring some cards.
Can I send it to your dad too?
That's what he required, when she said that, if I wanna do it, I have to figure out.
It's just look at my son.
So we send her here and a snake on this edge.
It's not having my head nice and good.
Now, if you want, you take care of Penn's cave, and do this card.
Did you see the picture of me when Layla landed on my lap when we were shooting the game?
Yeah,
That was so good for you. Your mother called it.
Get the window down
Anyone have any questions about their train trip today?
Let me tell us all about it.
Well, I can give you some history of the railroad. Okay, let me go back, I got a message from the conductor and all that.
no, I've always wanted to get a cruise ticket. I'd sit up there
schoolhouse that they moved down here is,
That's technically not ours, it's on
Okay.
railroad property, it used to be down by the high school.
right?
Got
Are they
moved
gonna
here.
envision moving other older buildings down, maybe like in like
Fury One
I
Conductor
don't know of any
207, we
plans
will
like
be
that,
stopping at the Trolley Museum, over.
The opportunity came up, they wanted to tear it down, and the gentleman. The general manager, working on ideas, I've got a piece of property I can put it on, if you want to save it. And, so that's what happened.
That's nice.
So these little fix up, we're planning to use it for our Christmas and Easter events. Christmas time, we have Christmas in Coal Country, and they're planning to use that for giving letters to Santa in the old schoolhouse.
See if that tree grew up in there. It's funny,
So you have a pumpkin somewhere, right?
Peanuts, again, yes. Great pumpkin.
Go ahead, take her south.
Our conductor is throwing the switch back, so we're ready for the next trip. If it's on board,
Now that's still
we'll go up and
within,
cross it. We don't have any lights or gates at the crossing, so we need some stop traffic for us before we proceed across the highway.
We'll have to look and see if we can see that big one. A little tiny trailer. Your dad had one like that for a while. How tiny that is. It isn't?
Yeah, you see, that's the major money for it.
That's what it is.
Yeah.
70,000.
That one car.
That's what it
Carry.
carried.
Is that trailer down there?
35 bucks.
Doesn't have much, does it?
Somebody planted Remember I told John that we were on shop. She did one, they wrote him this all page back.
See it out on the property, you can. Oh, look at all the coffee to Cannon County. You gonna go back to the station?
They're letting people off to go to the store, but we'll go back to the station.
Maybe we can drive to the store.
No, there's a store right at the station.
This is the stuff, remember?
Here's Pappy.
Mm-hmm.
How was it? Hello.
I think Dietrich wants to get off.
Because there's a store
Good.
on here.
Yeah.
The trolley museum.
No trees in front of the tractor.
Nope. Nope. It was pretty smooth.
I said you stay home.
Hey. How do you think you were all mixed with that guy?
No.
Okay.
Hurry before they start to go.
Well, maybe he did. I didn't know you were getting off.
To home.
I wonder if all those people are still waiting to get on. That was fun, wasn't it? Is it just last Tuesday you didn't get to go? No, you got here last Friday. It's Cameron Drive. Is this where the ramp is that I had said you might be able to use?
Now, how many times do you do this?
3 times a day. 11 o'clock, 1 o'clock, and 3.
tenders is the tender. Specific.
You've got the locomotive, the boiler, the firebox, and the car right behind it is called the tender. It has extra water and coal. See the damage from the sulfur and coal. It's really run away over there. They just popped up there.
Picture of them.
5 years ago, that was all wooded hillside.
My father worked in the towers along the track, and then she went to Pittsburgh, there in Maine.
We already told that Mom.
Did I? No, I think.
You get out of the truck, on the tower, you can have 4 or 5, 20 or 30 different switches.
Say have a lunch, then you want a hot dog, and you'll get you a hot dog. Sit at the little stand behind the train station. You want a hot dog? Hot? Is it? Okay, thank you. We're on our way back. You can have dinner in addition to your lunch, huh?
That's funny.
Would you want to
Last
go on
stop,
a food
ladies and
truck?
gentlemen.
I'll let my puts to sleep. Like we talked, I regained my
You go in front of you, think. I'm not sure where I'm gonna go. Think about it.
Train on conductor to the M7,